Welcome to our channel, Mind Mentor. In this video we will discuss about biodiversity and its conservation, so let's start. Biodiversity and its conservation are crucial aspects of environmental science and sustainable development. Biodiversity refers to the variety and variability of life on Earth, including the diversity of species, genetic diversity within these species, and the diversity of ecosystems. Conservation of biodiversity is the practice of protecting, preserving, and managing this diversity to ensure the long-term health and sustainability of our planet. Here's a detailed explanation of biodiversity and its conservation. 1. Levels of biodiversity. A. Species diversity. This refers to the variety of different species in a specific area or on Earth as a whole. It encompasses both the number of species present and their relative abundance. B. Genetic diversity. This refers to the variation in genes within a species. Genetic diversity is essential for a species to adapt to changing environmental conditions and resist diseases. C. Ecosystem diversity. This refers to the variety of ecosystems or habitats in a specific region. Ecosystems include forests, wetlands, grasslands, coral reefs, and more. Each ecosystem supports a unique set of species and plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. 2. Importance of biodiversity. A. Ecological stability. Biodiversity is crucial for the stability and resilience of ecosystems. Different species play specific roles in food chains, nutrient cycling, and other ecological processes. A diverse ecosystem is better able to withstand environmental changes and disturbances. B. Economic value. Biodiversity is a source of food, medicine, timber, and other resources that sustain human societies. Many industries, such as agriculture and pharmaceuticals, rely on biodiversity. C. Cultural and recreational value. Biodiversity is often integral to the cultures and traditions of indigenous communities. It also provides opportunities for recreation and tourism. D. Scientific and educational value. Biodiversity provides opportunities for scientific research and education. Studying diverse species and ecosystems helps us understand the natural world and our place in it. 3. Threats to biodiversity. A. Habitat loss. The destruction and fragmentation of natural habitats, often due to urbanization, agriculture, and infrastructure development, are major threats to biodiversity. B. Pollution. Pollution, including air and water pollution, can harm or kill species and disrupt ecosystems. C. Climate change. Changing climate patterns can alter habitats and threaten species that are unable to adapt or move to suitable areas. D. Invasive species. The introduction of non-native species can outcompete or prey on native species, leading to their decline. A. Overexploitation. Overharvesting of resources, such as overfishing and illegal wildlife trade, can lead to the decline or extinction of species. 4. Conservation of biodiversity. A. Protected areas. Establishing and maintaining national parks, wildlife reserves, and marine protected areas can safeguard critical habitats. B. Legal protections. Laws and regulations that prohibit hunting, logging, or trading of endangered species are essential for conservation efforts. C. Habitat restoration. Efforts to restore damaged or degraded ecosystems can help revive biodiversity. D. Education and awareness. Educating the public about the value of biodiversity and the importance of conservation can foster a culture of responsible environmental stewardship. A. International agreements. International agreements like the Convention on Biological Diversity, CBD, and CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, aim to promote biodiversity conservation on a global scale. F. Research and monitoring. Continuous research and monitoring of ecosystems and species help identify threats and develop effective conservation strategies. Biodiversity is essential for the health and well-being of the planet and all its inhabitants, including humans. Conservation efforts are critical to ensuring that the rich tapestry of life on Earth is preserved for future generations. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, Mind Mentor.